The UK-RAS Manufacturing Robotics Challenge 2021 is part of the bigger event Robotics Summer Showcase 2021 held by the UK-RAS network. Usually the event will be held in person here, but because of the pandemic this year we opted for a virtual event.
This is a 3-day hackathon-style challenge for students, early career researchers and engineers to develop robotic solutions on the theme of safety and security of human-robot collaboration. We have around 40 participants from over 11 countries taking part in the events over the next few days, working in small teams to drive robots based here at Factory 2050.
So the RAS Challenge is a way to introduce our participants to many upcoming Industry 4.0 concepts. This includes themes from safety and includes themes from robotics, but also themes from new industry concepts such as digital twinning.
It's possible to develop a Cobot system that works brilliantly, but if it doesn't have safety and security baked into the system itself, it can't be deployed. Through this event, we're actually exposing the participants to essentially what's a new domain, and we're hoping that those ideas will stay with them through their careers. So from an early point, they'll incorporate those safety principles.
Digital twinning is an exciting new field examining Industry 4.0 technologies. What we're trying to do with the RAS Challenge is get them to get their hands really into the problem, understand what it means to actually interact with a digital twin, but also the limitations and the overheads that are associated with having communication between a real-world platform and a digital platform.
We did have some technical issues at the start, but we got around them using all the collaborative tools that we've got used to over the past year. So we can look at code remotely, we can share screens, everyone's been very communicative, and it's worked so far.
This challenge has helped me improve my knowledge in the use of RAS. It's a good skill, in fact it's a required skill if you want to work as a robotics software engineer.
What I've learned throughout this challenge is the basic understanding of RAS, which I can take forward in my career and hopefully expand on that, and also working in groups with people that I'm physically not there with. It has been a challenge, but we're working our way through it, and I think that's something we should be proud of.
The speed that they've picked this up and the way that they've embraced incorporating safety into the project is just fantastic to see. They've achieved so much in so little time that I'm very, very impressed with what I've seen.
What I hope personally that the teams take away from this event is that they can see that collaboration across different time zones and countries can work. And it will be part of our future working arrangements.
The University of Sheffield is a UK leader in the area of robotics and manufacturing. We understand and recognise the need to train the next generation of scientists and engineers who can be developing the automated processes of the future. Events like this are critical to helping provide those skills to the people who need them.